Hello everybody, my name is Jemmy, and today we're going to be doing a new series called ChatGPT, and today is episode 1, and we're going to be doing ChatGPT, we've got a problem. So I'll show you what it is in like an analogy, I guess. So let's take a look at this one. Of course, you probably know where this scene came from. It's Home Alone, and this is Kevin, right? And these are the wet bandits. And this is you, right? Let's pretend to understand the video better. The concept of this video is that we have a piece of code and we don't know how to solve it, and there's nobody around us, right? So this is us, unknown error, right? But you know what's even scarier than an unknown error? An error that isn't on Stack Overflow. This is the scariest out of them all. Like, you have an error, you search it up, but nobody else has like encountered this specific error you have, right? Because it's way too like niche and way too in depth into your code. So it's quite frightening. I've been there several times. So once a situation like this happens, what can we do? Well, as the title of this series says, we use ChatGPT, and this is another scene that we could be using as well. The error: ChatGPT is the rifle, and us. So this is how we're going to exterminate these errors. And I have a list of 5 errors that ChatGPT will test if ChatGPT can solve them, because theoretically it should be able to do it. And yeah, let's test it out. So here are my 5 errors. So this is the first one. It's a pretty simple syntax error. As you can see, invalid characters. It's a backwards, how do you call it? It's a backwards quotation mark, which we can easily solve by doing this. And I think we have to indent this as well. String is lateral. Yeah, this one as well. And boom. And of course, we do have strings. We have to indent this as well. But as I said earlier, we're not going to be solving this on our own. We're going to be using ChatGPT to solve it for us. So in this case, we don't have to. But basically, there's a lot of syntax errors in this one, especially the formatting of the if and else, and these like 2 weird quotation marks. This one also syntax error. In Python, we cannot have equals like this. We have to have equal. And this is so that it checks if it's equal to each other. But if we have just a equals to b, it doesn't work. And this one is another error. It's called cannot assign to literal. What they were trying to do here is they're trying to say number equals to 250. However, you have to put number first, the variable name, and then you put the value. If you put the value first, it doesn't make sense. It's like 250 equals to number, which if we think like humans, it does, but to a computer, that just makes that doesn't make any sense. So we have to swap it around. This one is another syntax error right here. And let's see why this is syntax error. Oh, they forgot their colon, I'm pretty sure. So they need the colon there, and they have to indent this as well. And this is really messy. Look at this else. They capitalized. If we make it lowercase, that should fix it. But we're not going to do anything for ChatGPT. It's going to fix it on its own. And the 5th and final problem is another syntax error, which, as again, they assigned it to a literal, which it doesn't work. So if you want value to equal to 25, you have to have value equals 25, not 25 equals to value. Now let's test ChatGPT if it works. I'll copy the first code and let's head over to OpenAI, which, oh no, that's not good. Which I already prepared right here. Where is it? F11 right here. All right. So this is ChatGPT, and let's test it out with the first code. First, let's greet it. Hello. Let's see what it says. You don't have to do. I'm just saying hello, please. Please don't. You don't have to go be. Oh my god. Hello, ChatGPT. You know how to respond to hello, or is it too human? Hello. How can I assist you? There you go. Good response. I have some issues with my Python program, and then it's probably gonna say I can help, or like I can try to fix it. I think it's a bit slower because a lot of people are doing it. Sure, I'll try my best to help you with what seems to be the problem. I'm gonna put the first code in. Let's see. Let's see. It looks like the few errors in your Python code. Here's the corrected version. Okay. Oh, it solved it. Instead of using quotes around to put the. Okay. Where was? Oh, that was supposed to be an input. I didn't even realize that. Wow. Yeah, there you go. Equals needs to be equal to. There you go. Wow. Okay. So the first one. Let's test it out again. So our new revised code, bam, run. Amazing. I'm lost for words again. There you go. 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 14 -1 -2. I have no idea what this code is supposed to do, but it looks like it works. So let's move on to the next one. This one is more syntax errors and no way. Okay, so this makes it that a and b equals to 0. All right, if a equals to b, then c equals to a plus b, and then print c. Okay, well, now it's explaining for us. All right, thanks ChatGPT. Let's see if it works. Repaste. Ba-da-ba. 0, because a and b are 0, which means they're the same numbers, and c equals to a plus b. It's pretty simple. 0 plus 0 is 0. Wow, amazing. It's actually fixing all the code for us. Let's get into the harder stuff. Let's try this one. Okay, let's see. Will it work? And I just realized if we used ChatGPT, right, we can go into Stack Overflow and help other people with their problems. If like they somehow interpreted this as like a bot, it should actually work. There it is. It fixed it again. Here's an example change that I made. Again, as you can see, we have to swap it around to number equals to 250. In the while loop, we need to use this to greater or equal to check if the number is greater than or equal to 750, colon, they forgot the colon, and there you go. Wow, amazing. All right, let's try this. Bam. Perfect. There you go. List out every single number that it's supposed to list out. Wow, amazing. This is actually game-changing, revolutionary. So let's try again. This one is the one where I think this one's the one. Yeah, it needs to add like the colon, right? Yeah, it's adding the colon right there. There you go. It's actually insane how good it is like at fixing all these problems. I thought it wouldn't work, but it actually is working pretty well. Like for some more difficult questions, it probably wouldn't. Like that's too specific. But overall, general like syntax errors and literal errors and stuff like that, it works actually really well. So I'm really impressed. Value, let's put in 2. 1 and 1. All right, let's put in 3. It should do 1 1 1, right? 1 1. Why is it doing that? Well, I don't think I made these codes, so I don't know if it's supposed to do that. Let's try a value greater than 3. Let's try 6. 140 and 5. I have no idea what this code is supposed to do, but hey, it works. Let's try asking it. All right, quick segue. Let's say, what does this code do? What does that code do? Here's the correct code. The program prompts the user to put in invalid. Okay, initializes adder value. Initialize, so it sets it 0. For loop, 1 up to value, incrementing 3 each iteration. The loop adds c adder to c from 10. It does stuff. Okay, let's put it simple. I found this from a website that teaches students to fix the code. So instead of fixing the code by myself, I actually let ChatGPT fix it for me, and I have no idea what it does. But I mean, hey, as long as it works, right? All right, let's try this one. This is really messed up. Let's see if it can work. Bam. Oh wait, do I have to like say fix the code? I think I have to say fix the code. I don't think it knows what I mean by doing this. Let me say cancel. Stop. Help me. Oh, help me fix this. Please. Oh, come on. Does it work? Certainly. Okay. Wow. Insane again. It added everything for us. Let's try something that probably will not make it work. All right, so let's try this out again. And ta-da, 1 0 3 2 5. Again, I had no idea what this code does, but it works now. Look, everything works. So really impressive for ChatGPT. And yeah, let's try doing this. Print. I'm gonna do print. Let's see if it even knows. HG world. And then I'm gonna add like colon this, bam, boom, bam. All right, let's see what it does. There's a syntax error in your code. Your print. Okay. Well, it grouped everything, but Wow, that's pretty cool. It even added like little formatting for us as well. So this will print HG world 123 to the console. All right, well that's pretty cool, right? As now we can see that ChatGPT does help fix our problems, and this teaches us that if we're alone, pretend at home, and we have to do some like Python homework, and we have an error, or even if you're like a coder and we find an error we can't find anywhere, look in ChatGPT. Maybe it can help, and this saves us from having to wait for. If we were to ask our teachers, we have to wait for them to respond to us, and maybe sometimes they don't even know what the problem is themselves. So it's a lot easier with ChatGPT. But again, I'm telling you, don't cheat on your don't cheat on with ChatGPT, because it's not good. Because there's this one meme I saw like yesterday about ChatGPT, like I think it was me dying on my deathbed.
Couldn't find the exact one, so here's something close. Just went to the doctor for some muscle pain throughout my whole leg. He was using ChatGPT right in front of me to diagnose me, lol. I would find a different doctor.
It's not here. I'll show it to you. It was in r/ChatGPT in Reddit, but it's really funny. It's like I'm dying on my deathbed, but my doctor can't save me because he used ChatGPT to pass his medical exams. It's like yeah, this is what our world is going to go into. So don't cheat, because it's not good for us, and it actually teaches you not that much unless you learn from what you do. But I would recommend you trying it first, and if you can't do it, then use ChatGPT. But anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. See you later. Bye everybody.